Hey everybody, it's nail time. Let's do this. Hey my beauties, we are back today to do another set of clutch nails. Now remember 2 weeks ago we did the black and bougie nails? I have to admit I loved them. I will insert a picture. Look how cute. So now we are going to figure out which set we want to use. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by his toe. If he holler, let out go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. My mama told me to pick you, and you are not it. Anyway, my mind is set on these Greek goddess, but I'm torn because I also want to do the marvelous. I don't know which ones we're going to go with. Yes, I do. Greek goddess it is. So let's get ready. All right, here I'm just showing you clutch nails once again. And in every kit comes directions on how to apply the nails. There are even directions on how to take the nails off. So what you're about to see here is I'm going to be pushing the cuticles back, which doesn't take very long at all. I actually started pushing them back earlier today. So let's get this done and continue forward. All right, let's get ready to open this box and take the items out. And as you can see, there are directions in every box, even the smaller boxes. How to apply, how to remove. And now I'm going to open this cute little bag and take all of the items out. And here's a card that is telling you not to forget to use a clear coat over your nails so that you can keep the design longer. All right, this is the glue that comes in every set of nails. And they also include a nail file. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to match my nails with the correct size. And that really takes no time. So let's take care of this and then we'll get to the next step. All right, now that we've got the sizing done, I am taking the file that they provide and I am just buffing away the shine on my nails. Nothing more. Very gently buffing away the shine. This helps the nail to adhere and last longer. And this is the glue that they provide. I just want to let you know I am not using that glue. Please don't hate me. But I have my own glue that I love that really keeps my nails on for a very long time. I will not suggest it because I do not want you coming back and saying, well, Sabrina, Beautiful Black Rican, is the one who told us to use this. And now we have glued ourselves together. So anyway, I just used a little cloth there to wipe away the dust. And now I will begin adhering the nail to my nail. Let's go. I will say this, I really believe that I did not size my middle fingers correctly. So the nail appears to be a little bigger than what I needed, at least to me. And it's getting on my nerves, but I will not change it. It will stay. So let's finish. Look how pretty they turned out. I love them. Now I'm just going to use my clear gel. This is called One Door top coat. And I'm going to paint all of my nails and then cure them for 60 seconds. All right, we are dry, we are finished. Look how beautiful they are. You just can't go wrong. I'm going to put some cuticle oil on and work it in. All right, final product, and I love them. It took me about 15 minutes from start to finish. It beats sitting in a salon waiting forever. They are done and beautiful. Please visit Clutch Nails online and use my code, which is CR-Sabrina for 15% off. You will not be disappointed. Thank you.